Top of the morning, YouTube. Listen, I just checked the weather today. That thing says it's gonna be about 84 degrees, not just where I stay, but like in the LA city center as well. And you know what that's a good sign of, you feel me? Taking the doors off the Jeep for sure. So let me open my blinds back up from the movie I watched last night. Let some sunshine in, you feel me? But you know what, you think it's hot enough to take the doors off the Jeep? You think it's hot enough? He don't give a fuck. He just want to go outside. Okay, hold on. Let me get his leash. YouTube. What up, though? So look, hot days are among us. And you know, for us Jeep owners, as soon as it's even just a little bit remotely enough hot to take the doors off, you know that's what we gonna do. You feel me? So that's what I'm about to get ready and do. Take the doors off the Jeep, you feel me? Now, before I do that, one thing I want to do is I want to rinse my Jeep off, because you know there's so much pollen and all this other stuff, you know what I'm saying, going on, and we just want to make sure we rinse that off real good before we take the doors off, because you know, give it a little wash. Not even a wash, half a wash, you know, it ain't really been rinsed off, and I don't want to go through the little self-driving, what's the name? So, we're gonna try to get this thing done. Let's see. Got to get the back, you feel me? Come on, hoes. We don't have time for this. I would give it a full wash, but I just don't have time, y'all. I have somewhere to be shortly. And that's all we want to do. That's it, bro. No kids already. Public Works, what they out here for? Who services y'all finna disconnect?
Nobody.
Oh, good.
Just checking the sewer.
Oh, I just want to make sure it ain't me.
Oh.
Somebody down there? Oh my God, is my Jeep in the way?
Oh, no.
It's okay.
Good, because I was just about to take the doors off. Thank you.
Oh.
So cool. Now we can start taking the doors off, you feel me? All right. Let the windows down. Okay. You probably shouldn't be doing this in slides, because as you can see, I almost just fell and bust my ass. But you gotta be safe out here. Safety first, guys. So I'm hoping that I can do this in less than 15 minutes, guys. Usually it never takes me that long, but I'm just hoping that I could do it in a timely manner. So what we're gonna start with, you take the doors off. First, you have to undo all your connections, right? So you have to undo the connections for like your power windows and stuff. You're gonna undo the connections. So that's what we're gonna do first. Unplug your doors. And I done did this so many times that usually it's pretty easy to do. So one door down, and we'll just do these two over here. We'll start with this side. These appear to be pretty easy. Tuck that in the door like that. Put the pedaling back. All right. Oh shit. Now you're gonna have to undo this little thing inside the door that pretty much attaches the door to the shell of the Jeep, like so. So there's a screw right there. I'm just gonna put that on the floor, you feel me? And then when you do that, you should be able to just easily lift your door off the hinge, like so. One down, okay? Now we're gonna do the same thing for the other one. See how easy that is? Take the screw out, lift the door off the hinge, you feel me? Oh shit, it was a B. something I don't like about having my doors off. Bugs. I hate the bugs. All right, hopefully that bee didn't die in my hair nowhere. We ain't got time for that. All right, 2 down. Now you gotta turn the Jeep around and do the other side. You feel me? Okay, so we'll unplug this. This one's ready to go. Look at that. Look at there. Look at there. He was ready, like, take me, take me. I could feel the heat already, bruh. Put that in my pocket. Now, since this is one of the smaller doors, I'm gonna set this one on the floor. And then we'll save the best for last, the one that gives me the hardest time. Oh, wow. I don't know what the fuck is up with this one, man. He don't never be wanting to come out of there, bro. There we go. Got your ass this time, bitch. He just requires a little extra TLC. You feel me? All right, bet. All 4 doors. Whoa, off. Was acting like he didn't want to come off.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Ah! Oh.
All right, so now that we have all the doors off, to be honest with you, this Jeep is still not street legal. I know you're probably asking yourself, well, what would make it street legal? This Jeep has no mirrors on it, and we gotta put mirrors on it. As you can see, there's no mirrors here, so how we gonna see, you know what I'm saying, when we switching lanes? I'm just texting my neighbor, y'all. But yeah, as you can see, there's no mirrors on it, guys, so we gotta put some mirrors on this thing to make it street legal. And then I think I'm gonna get a towel and just dry it off, you feel me? So let me go get my mirrors. So yeah, in order to make this Jeep street legal, you need to put mirrors on it. So I got my mirrors right here. So now we'll use a long screw. We will attach. Now your mirrors are secure, you know what I'm saying? Whether this wanna go in there or not, mirrors ain't going nowhere, feel me? But we wanna secure it as much as possible. Tighten that screw up like that. It ain't going nowhere, you feel me? Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. One mirror down, put the other one on. Yep. And just like we did the other one, this one pretty much, it goes into place very easily, so never have any problems out of this one. It's just easy money. Now, one thing about me, the inside of my Jeep is always clean because I always keep some on deck, you know, some handy. So I'm just gonna wipe these mirrors off because I haven't used them since last year. So I'm just gonna wipe off whatever little pollen or whatever is on there. Gonna give them a little wipe down. Shit, I wipe the mirror off too, fuck it. Always gotta take care of what God has blessed you with. You feel me? So just wipe them off. Just wipe off whatever little mosquitoes done hit the back and all that bullshit. Just wipe it off. Wipe me down, wipe me down. One thing too I like to do, wipe off the inside too. Just, you know, whatever little dusties done formed that you don't really want in here, you feel me? Because you about to be riding clean. Wipe off your TV screen, your little 8-inch, whatever. Wipe off your steering wheel, you feel me? Just wipe all this shit off, feel me? Just every little thing. Just wipe it off, all right? And when you get done with that, it's still one that we haven't used, so I'm gonna put this clean one back in here. But when you get done with that, now you gotta put all your tools up and hurry up because you got something to do now. Whew. It is dusty out here, what I tell you. We about done though. Wipe inside your doors, you know. Just gotta keep it clean, you know what I'm saying? Wipe off what you can so it don't look all dusty. And voila, you ready to ride after that. Yeah, man. Shit. All I need to do now is goddamn. Oh shit. That thing slippery, bro. Okay. Shit, we ready to ride now. Let me put these tools up, baby. We ready.